Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or thank you for clicking on this video if this is your first time here. We are doing another country for my World Series playlist. I thought it was perfect timing because Aladdin is just hitting theaters, the Disney remake live action, so I thought it would be a really good time to pull this kind of makeup look out. I do hope that you enjoy it. It's going to be just strictly the eyes and then like the lips and a little bit of the cheeks, but the eyes, there's a lot of steps to it and different colors and everything that you can pull. So I tried to choose colors that I thought would complement off of each other, and it's quite dark and dramatic. They do have a very defined way of how they flick their inner liner on the inner corner, so I tried to mimic that. And I do apologize, this is going to be a music over. I have a lot of construction going on outside of my place right now, and I just thought instead of hearing construction in the background and trying to battle with that for sound, I was just going to do music, and you can see by what I'm doing, instead of me talking and giving you descriptions of what I'm doing, you can just clearly see from the video the steps that I'm taking to achieve this look. So let's just go ahead and get started. World Series playlist. I hope that you did enjoy it and you'll check out the other countries that I've done so far. And I'm gonna keep going. I'm not sure what country is coming up next, but please subscribe and hit the little bell notification, and then when those playlists do come up, you will get the notification, and then hopefully maybe I'll be choosing your country soon if I haven't already. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.